Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on construction heavy machines. In this video, I'm going to talk about the different types of heavy machinery used in construction, and what they do. I'll also discuss the different careers in heavy equipment operation, and what it takes to get started in this field. Construction heavy machinery is used to perform a variety of tasks on construction sites, such as excavating, grading, lifting, and transporting materials. Some of the most common types of construction heavy machinery include excavators, bulldozers, cranes, dump trucks, and concrete mixers. The first one is excavators, or large construction equipment that can be driven by tracks or wheels, but tracks are more standard. A conventional excavator has a long bucket arm attached to a pivoting cab that can rotate a full 360 degrees. The operator sits in the cab and from there has good visibility of the site. Excavators are highly versatile and can be fitted with special attachments for specialty jobs. The most common uses for an excavator include material handling, excavating trenches, holes, and foundations, brush cutting with hydraulic attachments, demolition, rough grading, heavy lifting, and pipe installation, mining, river dredging. The second one is backhoe loaders, often called backhoes, have a body that's similar to a farm tractor and include an adjustable shovel in front and a small bucket in the back for digging. Backhoe loaders are considered medium-sized construction equipment for smaller jobs and are capable of working in limited space to perform various operations. They can move dirt, backfill excavations, dig holes in trenches, and place pipes and other materials. One of the best attributes of backhoe loaders is that they are wheel-driven and can be used in urban areas. They can even be driven to a job site. The bucket in the back can be changed to dig trenches of different widths. The third one, air bulldozers, are considered one of the strongest and most reliable heavy equipment used in the construction industry. A bulldozer is a powerful and extremely heavy machine used to move dirt along large open tracts of land. Bulldozers have a wide, flat blade in front that can be operated using two hydraulic pistons to move the blade in a limited range of angles and depths. They are normally used to push piles of earth and for rough or fine grading, depending on the size of the bulldozer. A bulldozer's considerable weight helps it crush large boulders, among other operations. The fourth are motor graders, or heavy equipment used for fine grading and for moving small amounts of dirt. They have a long blade that can be adjusted to meet certain angles to create a flat surface. They can also be fitted with a second blade in front of the front axle and in some instances can be used for underground mining. Motor graders are typically used to fine grade dirt or gravel roads or to prepare the road base course before placing asphalt. Graders can also be used to create sloped surfaces or drainage ditches with shallow V-shaped cross-sections. The fifth is the tower crane. First came into existence back in the early 1900s. Many cities all across the world found tower cranes to be advantageous because they allowed construction companies to put up buildings without taking up too much space. But the one problem with tower cranes was that they needed to be bolted into the ground and secured so that they wouldn't tip over. Over time, it has gone through an evolution. Modern tower cranes are being used for lifting heavy building materials, machinery equipment, and other objects at construction and infrastructure projects. They are usually located beside, on buildings with exact positioning to handle heavy loads. It has a long working range, big load capacity, flexible height and working range, etc. With these advantages, using a tower crane can reduce labor intensity, increase efficiency, and shorten construction time. Tower cranes are widely utilized in the construction industry owing to the high demand for material handling on elevated levels. However, they also find applications in construction of structures such as dams, bridges, industries, power generation plants, and others. What is a concrete mixer used for? Concrete mixer selection guide. Types, features. Concrete mixers are used to mix concrete during the processing of water, cement, and aggregate media, or during the delivery and final pour preparation. These mixers use a motor, a revolving drum, and a chute to mix the components homogeneously. These are just a few of the many types of construction heavy machines. The specific machines that are used on a construction site will vary depending on the type of project being undertaken. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. The next is 5 new technological tools used in measuring.